Hello there. Today I'm going to show you how to take an accurate measurement tape reading. Tape measures come in metric units and in imperial units. Metric units are in millimeters, centimeters, and meters. Imperial measurements are in miles, yards, feet, and inches. So the tailor's tape falls under the category of imperial measurement units, so which is in inches. So today I'm going to show you how to read these small dotted lines, the whole of this, so you can apply it to the rest of the tape measurement. So let's dive right into it. This first point here, it is 1/8. The second one, being the second biggest, it's bigger than the first, it is 1/4, that's 1/4. The first one is 1/8, being 1/8. Second one is 1/4, 1/4. The third one here is 3/8. Then the largest one here, second to the longest line here, is 1/2, which is half. Then the next is 5/8. Then the next is 3/4. Then the next here is 7/8. Then this one here, you have the 1 inch. So let's go over it again. You have this to be 1/8, this to be 1/4, being 1/4. This is 3/8. This is 1/2, half. This is 5/8. Then this is 3/4, 3/4. Then this is 7/8. And this is 1 inch. So all of these are within the framework of the 0 to 1 inch frame. Yeah. So applying this, what we just learned, into this other part, this will be 1/1/8, 1/1/4, 1/3/8, 1.5, 1/5/8, 1/3/4, 1/7/8, and 2 inches. Going further, you have 2/1/8, 2/1/4, 2/3/8, 2.5, 2/5/8, 2/3/4, 2/7/8, and 3 inches. So it goes on and on like that till 60. I hope you derived value from this video. I'm hoping to see you in the next one. Before then, do like, subscribe, and share.